I'm gonna do a quick review on Xtra Laundry Detergent. This is 75 ounce. You get 50% more loads. Thinking about paying $8 and Rite Aid. I don't know where else I don't know where else you can buy this at. Probably at Walmart. Probably buy it at Walmart also. There's the bottle, cap. Just use it. Most people know how to do laundry detergent. Put laundry detergent in the washer, so I'm not going to demonstrate that. It's a generic laundry detergent. It's a lot cheaper than what you pay for all Sure and all the other name brand detergents. It's got Mountain Rain scent to it when you do your laundry. It does pretty good. It's pretty much shot. I've been using this. I've used laundry detergent off and on for 4 or 5 years. Buy it whenever it's been on sale. It's pretty good with laundry detergent. It gets your clothes clean. It's smelling good. Does a pretty good job getting the stains and stuff out. If it ain't built-in stains, are real bad. You get 50% more loads versus 50 ounce detergents. 2 times concentrated detergent. So it's pretty good laundry detergent. Like I said, I've been using at least 3 or 4 years. Usually buy it whenever it's on sale. Usually buy it whenever it's on sale. Get your clothes good and clean, and smell nice and clean. And it's a lot cheaper than what you pay for name brands. Like I say, like Cherry, and all the other Gain and all the other name brand laundry detergents. This is the Xtra Laundry Detergent. Now you can get, like I said, you can get a Family Dollar and Rite Aid. Might be able to pick it up at Walmart too.